Yeah, it's as important or more important. And the reason is it's actually quite a fundamental issue in our understanding of the body, that it's a shame that nobody in medicine talks about it, that it's such a fringe theory. But the way your body makes energy, it doesn't actually make energy from food. If you look at the amount of energy that you make from food, from this process called ATP synthesis and ATP breakdown, it's nowhere enough to generate all the energy that your cells need. So, what does your cell actually use to generate energy? Well, it uses light that acts on melanin. Melanin is not just a compound that gives us the skin color, the skin tan. It's actually a compound present in each and every cell of our body. And melanin uses light energy to break down water, into electrons and protons. And this generates an electric current that powers every function in the cell. So this is how powerful light is. Light is the energy source of the cell. Food only acts as a backbone, as sort of biomass, in order to generate things to regenerate the cell. If you want to make more cells, if you want to make a cell membrane, if you want to make a new tissue in the cell, that's what food is used. But where the actual energy comes from is from light energy. Why this is especially relevant to us over the last 20, 30 years is now with the invention of artificial light, especially blue LED light, we are living most of our life indoors. We are exposed to artificial light, which doesn't supply the entire spectrum of light that your body needs. And we're not getting exposed to as much sun as we need to. And so that means that this energy generation process that melanin does is not being optimized. And this probably explains so many of our modern diseases, because we're not getting the right light input that we should get.
Yeah, yeah, I'm on board with that for sure. I uh, I was introduced with Jack Cruz's work because of Tetragrammaton in April 2023, and it kind of changed my life. And I get into because I also want to talk about cholesterol and thyroid problems and the profiteering, the pill uses behind that. But I want to talk more about melanin right now. First, is the melanin that interacts with water? Is it both intracellular and extracellular water? And is the extracellular water easy water?
Yeah, so the melanin is mostly intracellular. Easy water is also structured through UV light from the sun, and that's how you maintain sharp separation, and that drives a lot. That's how you get blood to your tissues, is through this maintenance of easy water around your membranes. Light is very important in structuring this easy water. Inside the cell, melanin acts on the water inside the cell to change it into charged water, which is actually in the plasma state. So it's different than easy water. Gerard Pollack, who wrote about this, easy water, labels it as the fourth phase of water. But he later wrote that no, it's not actually the easy water, the fourth phase of water. The fourth phase of water, which is plasma, that's what we get inside the cell from what melanin does.